Are you ready to elevate your tech game with the latest Apple Watch? This device has taken innovation to a whole new level. Let's dive into its incredible features and design. The newest Apple Watch comes packed with capabilities. First, its sleek design impresses with a stunning display. The always-on Retina display ensures information is always visible. This means no more wrist flicking to check the time. Next, we explore health features that transform lifestyles. The Apple Watch monitors heart rate and tracks workouts. It also offers an ECG feature, providing heart health insights. You can even monitor your sleep patterns for better rest. Let's talk about connectivity. With built-in cellular capabilities, you can stay connected anywhere. Send texts, make calls, and discover apps right from your wrist. No phone needed. Battery life is another highlight. The latest model lasts up to 18 hours on a single charge. So, whether you're at work or hitting the gym, it keeps up with you. Now, let's break down the new unique features. There's a family setup for kids without phones. You can customize watch faces and create complications for easy access. The App Store has tons of applications, enhancing your experience. Imagine a day in life with the new Apple Watch. You wake up, check your heart rate, and track your daily activity. At work, receive notifications without picking up your phone. At the gym, follow your workout stats in real time. In just a few hours, you're still cruising with 50% battery life. You wrap up the day knowing your health is monitored every step of the way. In summary, the latest Apple Watch is not just a timepiece. It's a powerful health companion and your connective lifeline. Features like heart monitoring, built-in cellular connectivity, and customizable apps set it apart. Ready to experience the future of wearable technology? Explore the latest Apple Watch today and elevate your lifestyle. Check the link below for more details. Embracing the Apple Watch means stepping into a realm where technology meets convenience. Picture yourself seamlessly checking notifications, controlling music, or even using Siri, all from your wrist. The intuitive interface makes navigating through apps a breeze, enhancing each moment you wear it. As you head into your daily routine, the Apple Watch's fitness tracking features keep you motivated. With reminders to stand and move, it encourages an active lifestyle, making healthy choices feel effortless. As you approach lunchtime, the Apple Watch gently buzzes, reminding you of your upcoming meeting. You glance at the sleek display, easily reviewing the agenda while jotting down notes with a flick of your wrist. The convenience of having everything at your fingertips feels nearly effortless as you engage more actively in your day. As the day progresses, you find yourself heading to a coffee shop, eager to meet a friend. With a simple tap, you send a text to let them know you're on your way, feeling the satisfaction of staying connected without pulling out your phone. The Apple Watch keeps your hands free, allowing you to enjoy the little moments around you, like the barista crafting your favorite drink. With the sun setting, you walk through the park, tracking your steps while inhaling the fresh evening air. The Apple Watch vibrates gently, prompting you to take a moment for mindfulness, encouraging you to breathe deeply and appreciate the surrounding scenery. As you pause, the watch displays your heart rate, reassuring you of a steady rhythm amidst the beautiful dusk. A notification for a fitness challenge pops up, and you smile, feeling motivated to keep moving, and it pushes you to reach your goals effectively. The connection between your physical activity and digital support not only enhances your awareness, but enriches your overall well-being. Making your way home, you glance down at the watch, where a reminder for hydration waits patiently. You feel a sense of gratitude for the little nudges that encourage you to take care of yourself, ultimately enhancing your lifestyle day by day. Each feature working in harmony exemplifies how this technology empowers you to live a healthier life, transforming mundane moments into milestones worth celebrating. As the stars twinkle above, you wind down for the night. The Apple Watch guides you through a brief meditation, helping you unwind after a long day. You follow the calming prompts, closing your eyes and allowing yourself to drift into relaxation. With each deep breath, you feel grateful for the encouragement the watch provides, intertwining your health and technology in a symbiotic relationship. The latest Apple Watch transforms everyday life into a journey of health and connectivity, encouraging you to embrace each moment with confidence and ease. As you explore its features, you realize it's not just a gadget, it becomes an essential part of your daily rhythm.